Hello, this is Dr. Leo at LeTime. I got a question from audience. Can I do the distillation without a still? The answer is yes. You can try a reverse lead method. And today I'm gonna demonstrate you how to set up the reverse lead distiller by using a regular pot. And also I give you 3 tips how to make a better extraction by using this simple method. Reverse lead method is an old technique, has been used almost 1,000 years ago when people start to make the distillation. They're collecting the distilled water by using the pot. It has a little edge on the side. So when the water, when they heat up and the vapor touch the lid and they go to the side and they have a ring shape as edge on the side, so it can help collecting the condensation. Today, I gotta show you a method, similar method, but using a reverse lid, it can help collecting the condensation to the middle. So before I demonstrate you the setup of the reverse lid pot distiller, I want to give you a little bit more information about the history. So after people started making those condensation in one pot and using a curved edge to collecting the condensation. And later on they figure out if you have a concave shape on top and you can add the cold water in there, it will make the condensation much faster, because for that shape you couldn't use the water to help cool down. You have to use air, so that's make it slow. And they change into shape, and then the dripping down to the middle. So they were collecting the condensation right underneath inside the pot. But with time, they figure out an advanced way. So they drill a hole on the side of the pot, and then they use a scoop and a tube to leading the condensation outside, and then they can collect it outside the pot, so they can continuously doing the distillation and condensation. But today I just show you a one pot method. It's a older way, just reverse lid with a collection bowl underneath to collect it. So with time you can just open the lid and take the bowl out and then continue. However, I have 3 tips in today. I'm going to demonstrate you how to make even this old technique more efficient, just easier. And you don't need to drill a hole on the pot, but you just do a little trick to make extraction better. So for those having no distiller, you can try called a reverse lid method. So the way you use is you have a pot, and then you put the flour and the water in there, and then put a bowl in the middle. The bowl is collecting the condensation. So rather than using this way, you reverse it. So after you reverse it, the lid makes the shape, when they condense, the water or the hydrosol will flow down and then dripping into the bowl in the middle. So when you're working, so after you heat up, it start boiling, add ice cubes here. Add ice cubes so it helps condense more faster, and periodically you replace it. So you scoop the hot water out and add more ice cube in. So this is a typical reverse lid way. Here I have actually 3 tips for you to make it more efficient. So the tip 1 is take a little stand so it can help lift up the bowl in the middle. So this can help the bowl wouldn't heat up as fast as the water. So you are losing the, even after they condense, they can still vaporize. And then you put a lid on. So this can help you collect more faster. So I give you a better vision about this. This is called hydro distillation. It's a similar, as I introduced before, mix herb with water together and then boiling. And the second tip is do the steam distillation. So find a pot you can put a steamer in there, a C plate in there. Then you have water underneath, and then put the herb on top and cover it. And now you can just put a bowl on the sieve plate and do the same thing with the cover. So obviously if your bowl is too high, then you cannot fully cover it. Then you're gonna find a shorter bowl, a shorter bowl, put it in the middle and do the same thing as I said in the last one. The last tip I have for you is rather than using the right size come with the pot, find a bigger lid. Find a bigger lid and then do the same thing. So for this way, well, this is a little bit too big because it's already tilted. You don't want to tilt it. So find one match your pot, but it's bigger. The benefit is you can easily take it out. See that? If it's bigger. But if it's a smaller or the right size, it will just go in there. You see that? So this make you hard because after you start working, this gotta be very hot. So it make you almost not possible to take it out. So if you see your bowl is full and you wanna take it out, you wanna remove the lid. But if the lid is like this, it's really hard to remove. So find one that is bigger, and you get a leverage on the side. You can easily take it out. So these are the 3 tips I give for you when you do the reverse lid method distillation. So the C plate, a little razor, a little stand, and then a large size, oversized cap. Thank you for watching. Hopefully you learned something today. And if you're new, you can start your distillation by using the reverse lid method without investing still. Please let me know your questions and comments. Don't forget, subscribe to the channel and see you next time.